Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use Countif and Sumif in Google Sheets. So I have a data set here called Trigger Business School Employee Data. Suppose I want to know at any given point in time how many employees are there in particular department. So let's begin. I'm going to select all the column titles, apply filter. Now I can find out how many departments are there total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So let me insert about 7 rows above. Insert 7 rows above. Let me copy these 5 departments here. Now I'm going to use a function called Countif to count the number of employees in HR department. So is equal to Countif. I click on this. It is asking for range from where should I find out the department. So I click here, shift control down arrow. So I have selected all the departments with this. Then I put a comma. Now it is asking me what is the criteria. So my first department is HR department. So double quotes HR double quotes because this is tech. So I put in double quotes and hit enter. So here we have 10. There are 10 people from HR department. Similarly, production department. Again, I apply count if, click here, range. Again, the same thing, shift control down arrow, comma, criteria. This time is production. So double quote, production, bracket complete. Again, now this time quality assurance, count if, click here, range, control down arrow, comma, which department is it? Now this time I want quality assurance, double quote, quality space assurance double quote and bracket complete. Now sales and marketing is equal to count if, click, range, shift control down arrow, comma, which department is it? Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Double quote, bracket complete. And there's one more last, that is accounts is equal to count if, click, range starts from cell, shift control down arrow, comma, this time the department is accounts. So now looks like all the departments have 10 employees. Now suppose we wish to know how many, rather we wish to know what are the total salaries of each department. So this time we are going to use sum if. अब की बार हम sum if use करेंगे. So same copy कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर. I'm copying all that, all the departments here. दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू यूज सम इफ. इस बार मुझे हर डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों की टोटल सैलरीज चाहिए. इक्वल टू sum if range. From where will I come to know which department? Again, here this is the department. So I start from the first cell, shift control down arrow, selected everything, comma. Now it is asking criterion. For first department is HR. Now it is asking from where do I get the range of salaries. अब इसको सैलरीज का टोटल करना है तो पूछ रहा है सैलरीज कहाँ है. सो यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है टोटल सैलरीज. शिफ्ट कंट्रोल डाउन एरो, click on the first row, shift control down arrow and bracket complete. So here I have got, let me, okay, let's proceed. Sum if range डिपार्टमेंट्स यहाँ से पता चलेंगे. शिफ्ट कंट्रोल डाउन एरो, कॉमा, क्राइटेरिया, बार प्रोडक्शन, कॉमा, सैलरीज कहाँ से पता चलेंगे तो सैलरीज यहाँ से. क्लिक हियर, शिफ्ट कंट्रोल डाउन एरो, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. Assurance is equal to sum if range. डिपार्टमेंट की रेंज देनी है. वी हैव टू गेट डिपार्टमेंट रेंज. क्लिक फर्स्ट सेल, शिफ्ट कंट्रोल डाउन एरो ऑन द कीबोर्ड, comma, which is the department name, quality assurance. Oh, I didn't give the sum range, comma, give the sum range. Shift control down arrow. Now this time enter. Now I have got quality assurance. Again, sum if, click range for departments, shift control down arrow, comma, criterion, कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट चाहिए, which department. So this is sales and marketing, double quote, sales and marketing, comma, total salaries देनी है. Shift control down arrow, bracket complete, enter. Now the last one is account is equal to sum if range of departments, click here, shift control down arrow, comma, criterion, time it is accounts department, double quote, accounts double quote, comma. Now I want salary range, so salary starts from here. Shift control down arrow on the keyboard, complete, enter. So this is how you have got the count of employees working in a particular department, and here you got some. So all this data changes. Suppose tomorrow somebody's department changes, this figure will change automatically. Like let me show you. Suppose this person is transferred to accounts department. See now HR1 is reduced and accounts 1 year has increased. Similarly here the salary also. If you change, somebody gets some increment. Somebody's increment gets an increment from 40,000 basic to 50,000. Say this person is from quality department. This becomes 50,000. So look at this figure now. So this should be total is equal to yes. So see now this had changed from 5 lakhs 86 to 5 lakhs 96,300. So this is how we use Countif and Sumif in HR. Thank you.